Welcome to Day Night News.
Raid on a prostitution den operating under the guise of a massage center in Defense Khada Market. Butterflies escape from the balcony. The police, acting on a tip-off, successfully raided a prostitution den operating under the guise of a massage center in Karachi's posh Defense Khada Market. During the raid, an attempt was made to catch those involved in questionable activities red-handed, but several women present there, who are being called butterflies in common parlance, realized the delicacy of the situation and escaped from the back balcony to save themselves. According to the incident, the police took sudden action late at night on the basis of complaints from citizens and tip-offs from intelligence agencies. The place was apparently being run as a luxury massage center, but in reality it was a well-organized prostitution den where specific customers were given entry on the basis of secret codes and references. During the raid, several questionable items, liquor bottles, and CCTV footage were recovered which provide evidence of this illegal business. The police have arrested 2 men and 3 women from the spot, while others managed to escape through the balcony. The arrested persons are being further interrogated to reach the real mastermind behind this business. Residents of the area say that they had been suspicious of the people visiting this massage center for several days. They say that the movement of suspicious people had become a regular occurrence late at night, on which the locals informed the police. The incident has not only raised a question mark over the increasing immoral activities in high society areas like Defense, but also the need to review the performance of law enforcement agencies is being felt. This incident is a sign that crimes like obscenity are now flourishing in urban areas, not just secretly, but boldly, and urgent and strict action is urgently needed to prevent the deterioration of society.